Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So it is Tuesday, the 4th of February, 8:55 Central European. So that's 7:55 UK. Where are we at? Yeah, okay. So we're 5 minutes away from a 4 hour print. We're having a bit of a push there on the 4 hour at the moment. So let's have a look at the total market cap. So where are we at? Yeah, so the monthly right now is if we were to close here, which we're not going to because we've got another 24 days. If we were to close here, we'd be bearish on the monthly. We're still in bullish, we're still not in full bear on the monthly relative price, but we are flicking, to a new trend maybe of a really good solid pullback. Yep. So right now, if we were to print, but we're not, so this could all straighten out and we could get going again. Over here on the weekly, it's a different story. So we were saying that we kind of wanted this to happen, and it hasn't. So we got a buy signal. We got a buy signal here, and then on Sunday we had an official print of a bear signal there. So that little red X is a bearish sell. And then since then, yeah, we had this huge candle, but it was bought up. Now this might just be a bit wishful thinking, I suppose, of people either, trading the bounce, which was a really good opportunity for a bounce. It was a huge move. Good opportunity for the bounce. Some people took it, and now we're rolling back over. So moving to the daily, we have relative price, gradually rolled over. It's failed at the 30-day. And then we had these, we're in the midst of these three candles, aren't we here? And the only thing I'm not liking about this so far is, I mean, we need this to print, but we're actually making a lower low on relative price on the daily. So if we were to close now, which obviously we're not going to close now because we've got another 16 hours. If we were to close now, it would be bearish, and then this would be bearish. What we kind of need to happen, if we're going to be hopeful, is we need some kind of maybe push down, another sweep of maybe at least these lows, create some more liquidity, and then hopefully it would be bought up. We can't really work on hope though. And then this wouldn't be making a lower low on the indicator. If we pull back up, this will start pulling back up a bit. But we do need something to happen there because at the moment, the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and the weekly, they're all bearish. So we are now trending bear. So maybe opportunities on the short side. We can have a look at the blue chips and movers in a minute. But we had this push yesterday. We got above here, then we could pull back, and it was like, okay, we're actually going to find support here. We've got strength on the 1 hour, but the 4 hour, the burgundy 8 hour, the maroon, and the daily is still bearish. So this push up was just a really good opportunity to potentially get out. Now what we have is we're bearish on the 4. We're at 8:58 now, so we're going to print soon. And then we might have, what we kind of need is we need this daily and 4 hour to start turning into some form of a buy. And we need this like 4 hour to go like this to pull back, retest those, and get going again. And at least we could maybe make it to around the 3.5 mark on a nice little push, which would be 3.5, which would be over the 30. So that might not even be possible. Yeah, so I think right now, guys, we need to just keep an eye on the 4 hour print. I'll cover it again in the next video because we'll go over into the 9 o'clock print on the blue chip. But yeah, I'll release this now. We'll go to the blue chip. We'll catch this on the end. I'll remove all these joins, remove joins. And then actually, maybe because we can actually do the print now, can't we? Let's have a look at you. Let's have a look at you. This is, so we've got divergence here. On the 5 minute, we're looking like we could bounce. No, there's quite a lot of strength in this as well. Let's double click you. Hanging on. So we've got the 9 o'clock. It's just hit 9 o'clock now. So we've got the 15. Yeah, we could have divergence here. The 15's getting above the 30 minute. It's just going to be a bit of a battle in and around here because of the resistance that we're going to start. But this is not looking amazing. But yeah. Let's try and analyze. So the 1 hour bearish, 2 hour is still okay, 4 hour is bearish. We could have another push. This was what early hours. Yeah, okay. So we've just had that 4 hour print, haven't we? 4 hour print was bearish. Yeah, 4 hour was officially bearish there, but we could have a bit of a bounce, maybe up to these MAs. Uh, yeah, I can just take my daughter's go up. Sorry. Yeah, so we are pushing. We're pushing it again. But this looks quite okay. I mean, we've got the 1 hour, the 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minutes. So yeah, if we have a little push lower here, that would be nice, and then see some more divergence and get going again. This could be a little push on the at least on the lower time frame charts. That's probably too strong down here for me. So I would say continue and at least take out these lows. If we can bounce from here somewhere on the 5 minute, we could get going again because of the divergence there. But the 15 minute and 30 minute potentially might have divergence. And also we're over here. So the 15 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour are looking strong on the negative push there, unless we find support here and get divergence. But then we're still too far away from here. So I think a bit of a continuation lower for the moment. We just need to find some stops here. There's going to be stops here, isn't there? So I expect a bit of a run on this, and we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, let's move on to the blue chips, and I'll release this now.